Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm excited to share a brand new update that will pay you if you take it very serious. But before I proceed, and be assured that this video is for educational purposes only. It will not make you to be rich, but it will make you to get a small income that will pay you some of your bills that you need to pay. So before I proceed, I remain your one and only legit update. I bring you tips and show you how to make money online with just your smartphone and anything that will connect you with internet. So this is a Telegram bot that pays people and it's still paying. So this is how it works. If you click the link, I will be leaving the link in the comment section, and make sure you join my WhatsApp community link. The link will be in the video description. So if you click the link, it will bring you to a Telegram direct. So the name of the update is called FOXIGROW. This is the update. So when you click the link from the comment section, it will bring you directly to your Telegram. It will show you something, it will show you blue button that is showing start under here. So once you click on it, you will start. Then these are the tags. If anytime you have tags available, they will notify you from here. So this is how it is. So you click on start, then it will show you something like this. Click on launch app. So once you click on launch app, they will, if you use the registration link in the comment section, they will give you a commission. This update, they just launched it on 6th of January 2026. So you see, the more you are completing reward, the more you are getting, you are increasing your level. You can see here I'm in level 2. I have 0.16 cents. The minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT. So if you come here, you'll be checking daily. This one is daily check-in. You'll be coming every day. It renew after every 24 hours, every 12 it renew. So you click on this check. You see check-in successful. So this is the tax available for now. Is Facebook post. Do you click on this start? You see they say share Facebook post to your public feed. So once you complete the tax, you earn your commission. Your commission will be showing here. If you come on this rank here, this is where you see your referral code and see how people are earning on it. So you see here, you see how people are earning on it. You can copy your referral link, you can share directly. So you see, if you invite a person, you earn a commission, 10% of their commission, of their earning commission. So you see here, when you invite friends, complete tax and earn reward, you will receive a commission. The more friends you invite, the higher your commission rate. You see, invite commission. If you invite 1 to 10 people, you will get 10 or their 10% commission. If you invite 11 to 50 people, you earn 12% of their commission. 51 to 200 people, 14%. 201 to 500, 16%. 501 to 1000, 18%. 1001 plus, you earn the 20% of their commission. Commission will be credited to your balance instantly. So make sure you share it to your friends so that you'll be earning a commission. I'll be leaving the registration link in the comment section. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp community link in the video description. So if you come on these activities, this is where you will see the activities. You see this one, complete 3 tasks. If you complete 3 tasks, you will earn this 2 FG. Here, if you complete 10 tasks, you will earn 5 FG. So you see, this one is activity. This one is the daily. This one is the activities. So you see, first invite 3 invite user you have complete at least that have complete at least 10 tasks and link their Twitter account. You will earn 0.5 USDT and 5 FG. So if you come on this event, there's no event. So in this rank there's something I didn't show you. So if you come on this invite, this is where you see the people you have invited. You see I only have only one person that I have invited. So the more people you are inviting, the more you will be there will be earning. So you see these are the top people that are in the leaderboard. So if you come on the profile here, make sure you have a Twitter account, because they will ask you to ban your Twitter account. So if you ban it, because they will be giving you a different tax for Twitter. You see my own is already banned. So let's start this one so that you will see how I will do it. So follow Twitter account, you see, go. So for the one that you will ban, it will show you to bound your Twitter account. So you click on that go as you see here. So they will tell you to put your username. Make sure you put your username complete. When you put your username, then page. So you click on this like. For example, when you go directly, you give a comment. So you click on this one. You are seeing this arrow that is showing one. So once you click on it, then go back and verify and click on verify. So if you go back, it has already been closed. So this is what you do, easy access. So don't let it to take a bit more longer when you are going back on it. So when you go back, so you see this tax, you see it's showing one, right? So because I didn't complete it, the thing come out. So you click on this history. So you see in progress, you click on it. So you click on go follow. Since you have already followed them, it will bring you here, but all you need to do is just go back, click on verify. You see verify task complete. So you have seen it has been verified. You don't have any tax available right now. So you see my earnings has increased from 0.16 to 0.20 USDT. So this is how it is. They don't even give too much tax like some of the updates. So guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video to your friend, click the notification bell so that anytime I drop any video like this, YouTube will notify you. Join my WhatsApp community link in the video description. Don't forget registration link in the comment section. Let's start making this little amount together. Thank you.